Hello guys, mo-practice ko kanta guys. Practicean akong kanta karon is Simpleng Tulad Mo by Daniel Padilla. 1, 2, 3, go. Alam mo bang may gusto akong sabihin sa'yo? Magmula nang nakita kay naakit ako. Simple lang na tulad mo ang pinapangarap ko. Ang pangarap ko. Kaya't sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Alam mo bang lalo kang gumaganda sinta? Na simple na katulad mo ako'y nahulog na nga. Lahat ay gagawin ko upang mapaibig ka, sinta. Kaya't sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. Wala na nga akong mahihiling pa, kundi ikaw. Ikaw lang ang kailangan ko. Sa simple na katulad mo, ang buhay ko'y kumpleto na. Ikaw lang sinta. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. Simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la. Simpleng tulad mo. Next na kanta ko guys, practice ni guys is Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jovit Valdivino. Di pa na ako nakuha ng kanta ko ng Too Much Love Will Kill You, kaya baka after 1 month makuha na ako ng kanta ko guys, Too Much Love Will Kill You. O base memorize na ako ni after 1 month. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it will be. And my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah! Too much love will kill you. Just as sure as that at all. It's drain the power that's in you. Make you play and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, too much love will kill you. I make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you. And you don't understand why. You gave your life, you sell yourself, but hurts come again. Too much love will kill you, and the end, and the end. Yun lang guys, medyo okay konti akong pagkakanta guys, pero next time mas better na unta pagkakanta na ako naning Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Valdivino guys.